Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to find the best Turo discount code. So right here we are in a website called Retail Me Not. So just go to retailmenot.com and you'll be able to find it by searching it in the search bar, and you'll be able to find Turo discount coupons and promo codes. So first off, right here you can just check out the actual codes for yourself. This is going to vary from time to time, so you will see the details right here. You can tap to copy and remember to paste the code. So if you want $25 off your order, you just press the redeem right there or show the code. It's gonna actually redirect into the Turo website, and then you'll be able to copy this code, and then right here you'll be able to apply it when actually renting a car. So it's just that simple to actually get the best Turo finding discounts code. I mean the discount code. So there. So if you want to rent a car and go around country to country, you can choose right here with your vehicles. I would go with the BMW right there, and I would go with the M3. That is really sporty and that's really costly. So I will use a discount code right here. There's already a discount code right here. And there's also free cancellation. So there you go, guys. That is how you get the best Turo discount codes.